How to download Among Us on your PC or laptop. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me go through quick and easy on how you can download Among Us on your PC or laptop. Well, the game itself is not available on your Microsoft Store. Now, while it is not available on the store itself, you can still download it. You can download it either on Steam. Now, you can install Steam directly and open up the Steam library and look for Among Us. Now, here I'm just opening up on the website so you can see the Steam here and you'll be able to buy it. It's not for free, however, you'll have to buy it here. So you can get Steam and you can download it. If you want to know how you can install it, simply click on Install Steam once you're on steam.com and then proceed to install the Steam. Once the Steam is downloaded, you want to go ahead and double click on it and you want to go through the installation process. So you can go ahead and proceed to install, and once the installation is completed, you want to go ahead and open it up. So let me show you here. So once it's been installed, you can open it up and get the Among Us skin. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.